Okay, I'm going to create a new React app. To create the React app, I'm just opening the terminal and then typing create React app and then app name. I give the name app name as Hello React. So as I mentioned in the previous video, it will create a skeleton for us. It means it will have the default minimum requirements for the app, whatever is needed. So we cannot expect more configuration, more dependency, npm packages on the app. We just have just the normal basic version what we needed for to run the basic React app. I'm entering into the app. So it is cd and then the app name Hello React, and then npm start. So it will create a new server with the port ID 3000 and it will open the browser. As I mentioned in the previous video, by default we will have the React.js logo. So now I open the Visual Studio and I open the project here, Hello React, and then what I do is I delete all the files which is in the source folder, I mean the src folder. Okay, I have deleted it. As I mentioned before, the first file will be index.js, so I'm creating manually index.js, and then I'm importing two modules now. So I'm going to import React and React DOM. So import React from React and then import React DOM from React-DOM. So these two imports are minimum requirement for any React component. I'll explain what are the ES6 concepts we require for the React app in the next coming tutorials. So constant and then the variable name element, and I'm assigning a variable the value as h1 hello react hello world react. So hello react world. And then I'm going to render this value in the browser. So what is actually it's a JSX, that's why you see a different syntax here. So Babel takes care of the conversion from this JSX to the React element. Okay, in the next line, React DOM, and it has a method render. The first parameter is the element, I mean the JSX what we have in the element. And the second parameter is the placeholder. So we saw actually already in the previous tutorial in the index.html, we have the placeholder named root id root by default. So we are going to use this one as in the second parameter for the React DOM.render. So it is document dot get element by id and then the id name root. So now it will be automatically refreshing and you can see the hello React world here. So this is called hot reloading. It will be automatically happen. So now we're going to write console.log to see actually what actually available in the JSX, how actually React handles this in the browser. So I'm putting a console.log and then element and opening the browser, inspect, and I'm seeing in the console it has the object. Now you can see all these as objects. So whatever we pass as a element JSX, you can see here like props and element everything. So this is how actually internally the React takes care of the JSX. So everything will be like an object and it will have the state, props, everything. Okay, in the next tutorial maybe we'll see like a ES6 what are required for this React.js, and then what we'll do is we'll continue the React.js. I think this content might be useful for you. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell button. Thank you.